What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video. That is, I will be reviewing Morphe, well, not Morphe, Jesus. Yeah, Morphe, but I'm bugging. Morphe times a Jeffree brush set. Let me tell you guys the struggle of getting these brushes. So I was at work, mind you, like when he announced it, I put in my calendar, like I had to do like the Pacific Standard Time, convert it into my standard time. I had to check and see what time frame from California to New Jersey it was, so I had to like figure it out what time it would be released here compared to over there, so it's the same time but like what hour. So I was at work while this was released and I had it in my car, but it's sold out. I was so devastated because I was at work and I was like, damn, like I can't go to Morphe right now, like I can't drive right now, like I'm still at work, I still gotta wait like 2 hours, 3 hours to get out of here. I literally drove straight from work to the Morphe store at my local mall. It's not really local, but it's about 15-20 minutes away from here. To me, if you know me, I hate driving on the highway, but I drove to that mall, girl. I was determined. I had like tunnel vision just looking at the brush set. Literally, that's all I saw. And I was like, just get to the Morphe, just get to Morphe. So I got to Morphe and like they're like, hi, how are you? Do you need a bag? I was like, no, girl, I'm good. This is gonna be so funny, but I was in the bathroom, right? And I'm like, you know what? I took some cute pictures. I'm gonna tweet it to Jeffree. Let's just take a moment so I can savor this forever. Jeffree Star liked my tweets and then retweeted it. Can you tell that I'm totally fangirling here? Like, girl. So that's my little Morphe story on how I got my brushes. Let's open her up. Oh my god, I don't even want to open this up. Like I just want to keep it like this and just like keep it as a collectible. You guys know I'm a big Jeffree Star fan. Like I waited for him for hours at my mall when Morphe opened. So let's speak to the let's talk about this, okay? Packaging is cute. So this is a slip off. It's like a little cover. Let's flip this out. Has Morphe and Jeffree here, holographic. Oh no, this is not holographic, but the little bag is. So these are the brushes out of their packaging. Honestly, these brushes are so soft. Like, oh my god, these are so soft. I cannot wait to put my makeup on. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna do like a Valentine's Day inspired look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take JS5 and I'm gonna take the Blood Sugar palette. I'm gonna take Cavity and put that all over my lid. So right off the bat, the brushes are really soft and they have really good control. Like these little ridges or anything are not uncomfortable at all. If not, it's the opposite. They actually make this a little bit more comfortable because like my finger fits perfectly in the little divot. These little divots are perfect to get perfect control over the brush. So now I'm taking JS6 and I'm gonna go in with Fresh Meat. I really like these brushes a lot. Like they're really soft. I'm just gonna go back into that JS5 but with no product. I just want to blend this out a little bit. Now I'm done with the Blood Sugar palette and I'm actually gonna grab the Alien palette and I'm going to take, with the JS6, I'm going to take Black Hole from the Alien palette. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and just blend everything out a little bit further more. Clean Morphe E27 and I'm just gonna blend all these things together to be merry and happy. Okay, now that we have the shadow down, I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner and lashes and eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put some liner and lashes on. And I said I was gonna put eyebrows, but I was like, wait a minute. Thank God I didn't, because we have an eyebrow brush, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Mind you, look at all this fallout. Ew, but we're gonna clean that up in a minute. We're gonna take JS7 and do my brows. I'm gonna be using the Morphe brow gel in latte, and I believe the Maybelline tattoo brow as well, and I think in dark brown. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with these two things. And yeah, so I already know this brush is gonna be bomb because it's super thin, and I always have a really hard time trying to find a brush that's really thin like this, so I can get that edge like this really good. I do have the Morphe E29, which is pretty thin too, but honestly the Jeffree one is thinner. So people are saying that, you know, like he's using the same brush and just putting it, actually his is thinner than the one that Morphe has. So look how crisp that line is. Damn, this is gonna be my new favorite brow brush. Oh my god, this brow though, oh, I almost moved my lashes, but look at this brow already looks bomb. Like, you almost would think I cleaned underneath here, right? Okay, so we're finally gonna get to the face. Let's go ahead and do foundation, and I'm obviously gonna use the JS1, my NARS Natural Radiant in Patagonia, straight into my foundation. Wow, this brush is really good. I like this brush. Dang, this brush did that, honey. Now I'm going to take my concealers. You guys already know I'm using the Revolution C5 and the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. And I am gonna use the JS3 to blend this out. I'm also gonna be using this same brush for my contour. I don't really blend out my concealer with a brush ever. I usually use like a beauty blender or anything, but this actually did that pretty good. And I like how it still managed to like not completely cut out the bottom eyeshadow, and it kind of like blended it. So I already went ahead and cream contour around my face, but I'm just taking that brush that we used to apply our foundation, my foundation, just to kind of blend it into the skin, and that actually is really good. And again, I don't normally use brushes to blend out my cream stuff. I usually use like my beauty blender or my Morphe sponge, but this actually blended that out really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake with my little Morphe sponge. It's dirty, and I'm actually gonna take today Naturally Neutral Airspun powder. So I went ahead and baked. So now I'm gonna use the last brush of the set, which is the JS number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and dust this off because I am done baking. Oh my god, no, we have one more. We have one more brush actually, and it's the JS4, and I'm gonna use this as a highlighter, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and just set my little contour. But just do me a quick spray. I've actually been feeling this blush a lot, and it's the Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow. And we're gonna take finally the final brush, which is the JS4. And to top this entire look off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Calabasas. And this is the final look that I created only using Jeffree Star. Well, for the most part, I think I only used like 1 or 2 brushes. Yeah, no, 2 brushes. These brushes I absolutely love, love, love. They performed really good. I can't believe I did my cream with a brush. Like, it's really, really good. Like, I really like this. Everything came out good. Everything blended out good. It was just perfect. Jeffree knows what he's doing. And my favorite part, one, because they're soft. they're inexpensive, they're affordable, they're super cute, they're pink, my fave color. But as the technique wise, I really like how he created these divots. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but I really like it because I felt like I had a lot more control. That was my final review on the Jeffree Star Morphe brush set. Comment down below if you were able to get them, and if you did, tell me your opinion. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you are notified every single time that I upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!